So what I'm going to do here is put a bunch of gravel there in that corner there. Put another block here, another block there, and then this will be like a walkway. I'm also going to, there's a channel in here, I'm going to weed whack it so the grass is out of the way, and I'm going to put gravel inside there for drainage, especially drainage from this area here. I'm going to do the same thing with this side. There's gravel in here. I'm going to continue, and it's going to go in the back of this. So it's got a nice little drainage. And it'll come through these holes and everything too, and drain down to the woods. For the short bricks, I just measure it and then cut it with both sides with the saw here. Hit it with a hammer to break it in half, and then kind of grind out the center. Okay, what I'm doing here is I got some weed blocker. I'm lining this side. There's a ditch in here, a gap. I'm lining this side with weed blocker to block the dirt from getting in the gravel, because I'm going to fill this with gravel so that way it drains properly. It's going to go all the way around the fire pit as well. Got some sealer here, concrete sealer. So yeah, this is not finished. I left the top of these unpainted because I'm gonna put a cap on here on all these pavers. It's gonna be capped off and clean looking. I may also put another pad here, concrete, around the fire pit so I can put chairs or something. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet.